know. Let's try this candy.
It's 7 in the morning.
This is my first time going back to AZ since like September. Here we go. Spring break.
It's gonna be about an hour, 15 minutes heading up to the 30,000 feet. Well, then,
Now I'm off to my gate. Yo, there's Dory. Fridays and stuff. Oh yeah, I don't think so. I stopped at some food, y'all. Baby. Yeah, I'm getting on the flight. Daddy got it right. Okay, made it to Phoenix.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, I didn't get an entry. Terminal. Oh, yeah. This, they got a new modern, like, design. This is, Phoenix's airport is known as America's friend. We're going to South. Oh, and I gotta pee. And I didn't pee because, I just didn't. I should have. Waiting on my ride.
I don't know how much I've been craving the back here. Like, been freaking posted the other vlog. Hi, how are you? Are you good? You good, baby?
That's my baby niece over there. She's so much bigger, y'all. She's so much bigger. Like, the other video that's supposed to be put up before this one will show how much she has grown, okay? Like, she's grown and she got her ears pierced recently. I'm at my sister's house. And, no, it's not. What is that? Oh, just ate some Chipotle. I got a mustache. My sister technically lives downtown. Well, not technically. Lives downtown, so. Which shows y'all the place, but this ain't my place, so. Use your imagination. Sitting on the couch, waiting for my auntie and cousin to come over and see what we're gonna do today. Yeah.
I'm so hyped right now. I'm about to see my stepbrother and he's a baby. Today's eventful. Seeing all the fam. All the fam. That's you. You looking right at me, I know. Every time I put the phone in her face.
I would say that pretty much concludes day one. Took down my hair a little bit and everything. My sister made some food for me. A chimichanga. Chimichanga is gone, but it was so good.
Your favorite song.
So dumb. Yes. Not to go to a high vending machine.
13 years.
I'm getting this. I'm scared. Oh, you get it out. I missed my money shot in the.
Now we have to round it.
Yes. I'm.
Got some Chinese food from my favorite place. Yes, eating it in the car. Into Fries. If you know what Fries is, you know. Yay! Parking lot lighting. Oh my god. So long. It's equivalent to some cupcakes or something.
Me too. These are so good.
That's so good.
Do you like chocolate?
I might get sushi. I don't know if I want sushi. Oh, so empty. The meat. But we're not getting no bacon. Ravioli stuff. Like empty. What is it? I'm so happy to be in Fries. Like, yeah. Okay, I need to stop. Yeah, they're all gone though, the Teddy Grahams. Nostalgia. Cute or whatever. Aw, so cute. This is very nice. Okay, I'm bagging. This is funny. Convenience. I'm scared now. I've never bagged this fast before. Okay, I'm done. Gotta think fast. What do I want to do? Show you what we got. Okay, this is some of the stuff we got. Cupcakes and pecans. I don't know which strawberries, and they're actually sweet. Mangoes, bread. This lemonade. I think it's a setup though, but I'm about to see.
Some watermelon. These two things. Oh, and we got this. Never tried it. I'll try it.
That's to try one of these. This is where we're going to. Clothing Co. My sister's guiding me with my clothes, so I must have picked some. I'm really trying to contemplate which the yellow I should get. Like, this is more like Big Bird from Elmo, and this is more of like a cream yellow.
Legs crossed when she said it was hanging by the inch, then she cut it off. Eyebrows on fleek, can't rub it off, no pencil. Trap music in the Benz coupe with the top down, no nigga.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my.
And in this moment, that's when I realized that Chase Tower was gone. Like, what happened to it?
I know that I don't make things clear.
I don't know who the one to the right is, but I know them too. Malcolm, P.U.P. Newton. Oh my goodness. Oh, love it. We'll come back. We'll be back. Oh, wait, hold on. Yeah, this is better. We'll be back. But I'm still, So we secured the bag. Oh no. Oh my gosh, it would have been bad. Okay, we got Yogi's grill. We secured the food. If you know, you know. If you don't know. Downtown. It's in the parking garage, like stuck in here. Don't leave me. Here I come. Aww. I think its wing is hurt. It's huge. She's trying to escape me. Leaving the office space. Oh no, I'm not gonna. That's nasty. I can't see.
I fall for you every time I try to resist. You can get away. Palm trees, beach view, feeling every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you.
Is this one? Oh, this one? Yeah. Yeah, that's just. Oh, okay. Would you like a receipt? But if our food is ready? Okay. I can't. I just left Target. Okay, these are 2 things I got from there.
I try not to show how I feel about you. Because you're right.
Nice. That is where we just left. If this can, nope. Joyride taco. This headscarf right here, not a headscarf. It's serving no purpose. Going to Walmart.
About you. Because you're right. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Late night activities. It's really only like 10 o'clock. We went to 3 different stores. Well, this is the 3rd one, Walmart. We went to 2 Walgreens. Nobody has freaking headscarves. It's crazy. Just empty. Never mind. We found some, I think.